happening?
I'm cleaning the snow.
Really? Wow, that's a lot of snow. Winter time, it's crazy. Oh my. So, what do you think about this weather? Do you like it? Not very much. Why not?
Because it's winter.
Because it's winter. Winter is bad.
Yes.
What's bad about it?
Because there's always like that.
Always what?
Always like
Cold. Nasty cold.
crusty, dusty, and
You don't like that? Okay. Well, I thought you like winter, no? You don't like winter?
I don't like winter.
So what kind of weather do you like?
Summer and winter.
Summer and winter? Well, you said you don't like winter.
A little bit.
Okay, just a little bit you like it? Okay, so I'm going to shower with snow
Yes.
to make the yard nice and clean.
Oh, yes.
Okay, okay.